your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. One more time. What is your name?
Amigo.
Yes, his name is Amigo. Okay, Amigo is also a very polite bird. Okay, Amigo, can you please greet all these nice people?
How are you?
How are you? So how are you today? Fine, good, I hope so. Or you know what, Amigo is also a very intelligent bird. He can count from 1 to 10. First of all, Amigo will count for us in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There you are, 1 to 10, very clever. And now Amigo will count once again 1 to 10, but this time in Chinese. Yeah, listen up now. Amigo, please count in Chinese.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Well done, Amigo. Another perfect 10. Right, Amigo is also a very talented bird. Okay, you can sing 3 songs in 3 different languages. First of all, Amigo will sing for us a Mandarin song. It's a children's song called Current Life. If I translate that, that means a guest comes to visit. Okay, Amigo, sing us a song in Mandarin.
Current life and pop, 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 good life, yeah, good, current, yeah, good, yeah, nice,
There you are, word for word, current life. And now for the second song, Amigo will sing for us a Malay song, Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, Sayang means love, okay? It's a love song, okay? Amigo, sing Rasa Sayang.